Here is a thermometer. Beautiful, huh? It's a thermometer. All right, okay. Now, we can say it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's a hot day. It's a hot day. It's hot. It's a hot day. Okay, now let's change the temperature. It's warm. It's warm. Let's take this one out. It's warm. It's a warm day. It's warm. It's a warm day. All right, let's change the temperature again. And we'll make it a little bit in here. Okay. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's a cool day. It's a cool day. And then finally, we have it's cold. It's cold. Ooh, it's cold. It's a cold day. It's a cold day. It's cold. It's a cold day. Now, we can combine these words and put them together. Now, for example, we can say it's a hot, sunny day. Okay? We have hot, sunny, hot, plus sunny. Okay? We can put them together. It's a hot, sunny day. Or another example, it's a cold, windy day. Here we have cold plus windy, but we can put them together. It's a cold, windy day. Okay? Now, here's a new question, and then we can practice some. All right, here's the question. How is the weather? How is the weather? So let me ask the assistants and find out about the weather. So Ali, how is the weather today?
It's sunny. It's hot.
All right. Isabel, how is the weather today in Antarctica?
Oh, it's cold. It's windy.
Yes. Susan, how is the weather today in Hawaii?
It is a hot, sunny day.
Yes. Ali, in the winter, how is the weather here?
It's cold and rainy.
Mm-hmm. Susan, in spring, how is the weather?
It's cool and rainy.
And Isabel, in the fall, how is the weather?
It is cool and windy.
Ali, what is the normal temperature in the summer here?
It's 30 degrees.
Susan, in the winter?
5 or 10 degrees.
Okay, thank you very much. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
It is summer today. It is hot and sunny. It is winter. It is cold and snowy. It is windy. It is spring. It is cool and rainy. It is fall. It is cool and windy. It is raining.
Read and repeat.